But the difference here between these ones and the ones in our last session is these are examples of technological replacements that actually sort of could potentially carry a degree of benefits with them. And we're going to focus more on the benefit side of things, right? Because in order to provide a balanced answer in our essay that we're going to write, we really want to first focus, a little bit on the destruction of jobs through various, through various kind of processes that result in the destruction via technological replacement. But at the same time, we also want to have a strong focus on, the opportunities at hand, right? The the labor opportunities that are available. That's really what we're looking for in terms of this whole thing. So so in terms of what we're going to look at today. So let's get into this. So we've got digitization in agriculture. Now, there are these precision farming techniques and, agricultural drones actually, further increase productivity and crop yields. And this is in really modern day, right, at this point. We have these IoT sensors and they look at, the tensional, that it's essentially the sort of status of the irrigation technology, right? That's what they're for. And there's another one I'd like to add, which is one that I've always mentioned in previous sort of lectures and stuff in other courses, is drip irrigation. This technology actually frees up labor from agriculture and also simultaneously maximizes the efficiency of water use in irrigation processes. So that's a really sort of key one there, the sort of drip irrigation kind of thing. That's a hugely important one. So yeah, drip irrigation, hugely important. So yeah, that's the other kind of like, key one that's of great interest. And then, in terms of other, like other sort of critical aspects as well, the point is it is destroying labor. Okay, we are destroying labor with technology, but really, if you're destroying labor from agriculture, you're actually giving the labor a much better chance to go and work, in the city, right? Go and work in a manner that can try and generate wealth for for an economy. That's the real kind of like that's the real sort of key kind of key point and stuff that we have to that we have to really kind of be thinking about in our analysis.